Crypto Bros, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to trade on Blofin. It's a completely new exchange that they just hit the market, and the reason why I'm showing you is they are partnered with KuCoin, okay, and they've been already doing 24-hour trading volume over 700 million USD. And if we look at BitGet, I also showed you BitGet at the very beginning when nobody was talking about it, and from 0.06 they went to 46 cents. Okay, so it's very early for this exchange. It's likely that they're gonna succeed if they actually push the marketing hard, because the tech and the dashboard and the experience here is top tier. So it's only about the marketing and what they do with the, and if they launch a token. So it's very early, and now I'm gonna show you step by step how you can trade on the exchange. Before we start, remember this video is only for beginners. So if you are already an experienced trader, you can turn off this video and watch my Bitcoin trading analysis. This is for complete beginners that are just entering crypto and have no idea what the dashboard is about. Also remember, it's not a financial advice. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research DOR. So first thing that you want to do is basically go in the description of this video and register with my link on Blofin. The reason for that is that you get different rewards now for 2 weeks when this video is uploaded, and you basically get these welcome gifts, different gifts like you can see, different rewards, basically free money for like some simple activities. What is it, like deposit over 50 USD, keep for at least 7 days, and you can do a bunch of that stuff and just get free money. Okay, it's good for the beginning and to get you experienced so that you are familiar with how to deposit, how to trade, etc. Now, so once again, link in the description of this video. You can register there with no KYC. Then the second thing is basically after registering, you go to overview and to deposit. Okay, if you want to deposit crypto, if you already have, let's say, crypto in another exchange and you want to transfer it here, basically click deposit here. You choose a coin, let's say it's USDT, and you choose the network. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, then you get your address, and then you get your personal address. Gonna of course differ from that, and you copy the address, you can transfer the funds here. So we've got different accounts, of course, in here. As you can see, we've got 1K in the equity funding account, futures, copy trading, and earn. So you're gonna be willing to transfer between these accounts in order to, for example, if you want to trade, you're gonna transfer to futures account. If you want to do copy trading, you're gonna transfer it there, and etc. The same with earn, the same with funding. They've also got the trading app. So most of you probably will be the VIP 0 because of the trading volume in 30 days. Or maybe if you're a trader, you have bigger orders, you're gonna have bigger tiers in here like VIP 4, VIP 3. But this is the fee schedule, okay? So you're gonna probably get 0.06% the taker fee, and it's very common for most of the exchanges is the same. Maker fee 0.02%, and then you're gonna get lower taker fees and maker fees while operating with bigger trading volume. Right now, so let's say you've already deposited your crypto in here, then we're gonna get the transfer into futures. We're gonna do transfer all, and now like you can see it's already in my futures account. It's very, very, very simple. Now let's go to the markets, and you can see different markets here on futures. Selection, layer 1, metaverse, layer 2, DeFi, Hong Kong concept. You can basically choose from. Now let's say we want to trade Bitcoin. So we are now at the futures section. Okay, it's very simple. You basically have futures. You don't have, there's not so much complicated, and this is what I like about Blofin. It's not complicated. Okay, it's very simple. It's specialized for traders for futures. Now, this is the trading dashboard when you click on futures, and now it may look complicated to you if you click it for the first time, but it's actually very simple. Okay, so we're gonna focus for a bit in here. Now look, here you can basically choose between different coins. Once again, the current BTC price, the 24-hour exchange, index price, market price, 24 hours all-time high, 24-hour lowest price, volume, and funding rate. Now this is the main chart, like you can see. Right, so here are the time frames of the chart. So basically 1M means one candle is 1 minute, 5M means one candle is 5 minutes, 15M means one candle is 15 minutes, etc. So this is what you're gonna use for technical analysis and just to overview the chart. Now I'm not gonna focus now in this video on trading strategies. I'm gonna leave it for the next videos. If you're willing to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Now here are the different tools that you can choose. It's basically the same like from trading views. So you can basically do a trading line. You can basically draw whatever you want on the chart, or let's say you're willing to put the support line and resistance line and trade based on that on the, let's say, very low time frame. Now different tools, once again, in here I'm not gonna focus on that. I basically use mostly just measurements here. You can check the percentage that you've made or you've lost or whatever, that just measure on the chart, basically trend line and the brush. So now here is the order book, basically latest orders and for buy and sell on BTC, trade history, and now this is order creation dashboard. So here is where you're gonna open the positions. You can basically choose the margin mode from cross and isolated. I recommend everybody, especially for beginners, to choose isolated. The difference is basically, like you can see, there's less risk. So if you get liquidated, you basically only lose the amount from your open position. So here is the leverage. You basically choose from 1 to the maximum currently on Bitcoin is currently 125x. Anything more than 10x is very risky, especially if you're just starting. I really recommend you to start with the spot, and then if you get some experience, you just start with like 3, 5, 10x. Or let's say if you're scalping, then you can get the higher leverages. Let's say we're gonna open now the trade with very short term on 1M time frame. So now here's the limit order and market order. The difference is on limit order, you basically set a level on the price where the position is going to be open, and on the market you basically open immediately the position. Okay, so we're gonna do the market order. We're gonna do amount in USDC. It's gonna be easier to calculate. We're gonna put let's say 30% of the position for a long trade, and also we're gonna put the take profit and stop loss. Okay, the take profit is a level where the position is gonna close and take a profit, and the stop loss is a level that you set, that if the price hit this level, the position is going to close as well. So always use a stop loss. It's going to prevent you from getting liquidated. Now we're going to open the position just to show you how that works. So I just clicked buy long, and like you can see in here in the position section, you can see that the position has been opened by 20x. And just basically in here in open orders, you can see the take profit and stop loss. You can see available is 700 USD because the rest has been used to open the position, and the value of the position is 5.8 thousand USD. Yeah, we used like 300 and then 20x leverage, so that's why we got the amount. Of course, the trade has been just to show you how that works. So if you want to see the available indicators in here, or if you want to basically see overview on other features like copy trading and earn section, let me know down below in the comments. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.